All right, so we got a little bit of a situation right now. The show's on Friday. We got a lot of work we're trying to finish up for clients, but we got to get the SL65 done because we want to take it to the show. It's a beautiful color. We know the ladies are going to like it, and so it's the wrap that we want everybody to see. So we kind of got to get that done. We're a little bit behind. So hopefully we can get it done by Friday. We'll see what happens.
Not like a can.
Yeah.
Welcome to the channel. This is a crazy color on this SL65. You heard right, this is a SL65. This is a V12, Will. V12 bi-turbo. You know what bi-turbo means? Two turbos. Not a turbo cut in half, right? Bi-turbo, like a bicycle, two wheels, two turbos, right? Anyway, let's talk about this color. This is a new film that we started using. This is Inosotech, right? This is crystal blue. First time we've been using Inosotech, but I just got to tell you, this is as glossy as I've ever seen a glass film. Super gloss, that's what we're going to call it. I think that's what they call it too, super gloss. This almost looks like a Tiffany blue. On this car, we did a couple of things. Wrapped the whole car, crystal blue, Tiffany blue, crystal blue, right? And we blacked out a bunch of stuff. So let's talk about the blackout. Blacked out the air intakes, little trim pieces on the side, the emblem, V12 bi logo, blacked out. Door handles, blacked out. AMG and the SL65 and the Mercedes logo on the back, guess what we did? Blacked out. So, black Mercedes AMG wheels on this vehicle too, black top, and we have a crystal blue blackout. That's what we got. So I really like this color, Will. It is super glossy. I don't know if you can really see it on the screen, like we can see it over here, but this is gloss. And it has a pearl effect to it too. So the good thing about this Inosotech film, compared to other glass, like if you get Avery and you get 3M and you get some of this other stuff, there's a lot of orange peel in the glass. This has hardly any orange peel. It looks like paint. So we're going to start using a bunch more Inosotech. We like it. A little harder to put down, but the end result can't beat the glass. Can't beat the glass. So if you want a glossy car, and you want to be different, come and see us. We do Inozotech, and you can black it out and give you something totally different. So, Inozotech film available at Jekyll and Hyde, right? Come over and come and see what we can do for your car. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, right? And like our page, follow us, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Will's gonna put all those up there for you. Look it all up, check us out, come over, come and look at all these crazy cars we have over here, right? He knows the tech. Crystal blue. Later.